Bama. Bama. And ma'am, what is your name, please?
Okay, that was cool. But let's introduce the bride's family. Excuse me, ma'am. We did this, eh? Raymond Nixon. Papa, we did this, eh?
Lion Nixon.
Okay, Pastor, welcome to this wedding. Please sit down and assume your seats. Okay? So now, let us welcome in the groomsmen. Please and thank you. Mr. Groom, how are you doing? Are you ready to marry your bride? Very good. What is your name? Emma, take that. And a muscle. This one. Okay. Now, Pacho, where is our bride? Money is not a problem. Trust that. I said bring us our bride. Who is that? Okay. Okay.
Hey, Pastor Sammy is in town, so please make some noise for Pastor Sammy.
Sir, you see your daughter here? This is your daughter, correct?
Yes, sir.
So I am standing on the behalf of the Owusu family. We are asking, do we please have your permission to marry your daughter? The beautiful flower that we have seen in your house. Please, I beg of thee. Please.
I will allow it.
Yes! Wow. Okay. So please, Miss Ringbearer, please come. Wow. Even the bridesmaids are beautiful. Wow. So, I'm sorry, that's the word. Kawa means ring, by the way. Okay, take it. Okay. So, do you take this beautiful woman to be your lawfully wedded wife? Come again. I didn't put the mic to your mouth. Why? One more time. Yes, I do. Yes. You take this man to be your lawfully wedded husband.
Pastor Patroni.
Oh, let me play on the rings first. Hold it out like this. Yeah, I mean, the bonfire said. Or one of one said, yeah, I found a trouble with Jesus. Lord, I pray that this wedding will be fruitful. You who saw more than say, what? You better say, no, young for an Ready, young strong, what is we? So I bet my brother say, we, Jesus' name. Sir, I'm bowing. For Jesus' name. Amen. Wow. Beautiful. Pastor, you can assume your seats. Drummers, give us one last welcome.